Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I am opening the March Simply Earth Essential Oil Recipe Box. If you are not familiar with Simply Earth, they are an essential oil company. They're a newer company, but they have a bunch of different oils and products on their website. They're launching new things all the time. They just launched a bath bomb accessories kit where you can get the molds and different powders to make cool bath bombs. They're coming out with the cleaning kit coming out soon, which I'll share. They just launched a diffuser, which I think I might share this in an entirely separate video so I can just unbox and share it there, but look for this coming soon. They also have the essential oil subscription recipe box that gets shipped to you every month, and this is, if you are into oils and into DIYs, this is for you. Each month you get 4 oils and recipes and things to make your recipes. With my code you get a $45 gift card back to use on future purchases. It's super affordable and really fun, and I think you guys will love it. So I'm going to share the March box, and the theme this month is it skincare or face care? And you guys know I geek out when their box is around beauty, like skincare or things like that, because that's my favorite. And so I'm really excited about this box. Let's jump in. I will share the oils with you first. A couple I had as duplicates. I don't go in and customize my box, but if you do, as a regular subscriber, if you see that there is going to be an oil that you already have or an oil that you hate, you can swap it out. I don't do that just so that I can share you the box how it is. So with that being said, there were a couple of oils that I had already, so I will be putting them in the giveaway pile, and I will do an essential oil giveaway coming up soon. But anyways, the first oil is coriander. I do not think I've ever had coriander. I think I've obviously seen it in like blends and stuff, but so this is cool. The plant part is the fruit of the plant. So I wonder if it's cold pressed or steam distilled. It doesn't say. The origin is Russia, and the aroma is sweet herbal. And then it also has the Latin name, so like the scientific name. They have a bunch of different information on each bottle. They have a ton of information on their website. You get access to a free Essential Oils Heroes course, which is like an Essential 101 course when you subscribe. And this smells really good. It's really fragrant. Sad I haven't tried this sooner. It's really, really good. I'm really into floral oils. Those are my favorite. And this is very sweet and floral, but different. Okay, I really love this. I want to just keep sniffing and sniffing. And this is a 5 ml bottle. So usually when they're in a smaller bottle like this, it means it's a pricier oil. And the majority of the time you get 15 milliliter bottles. So you get 3, typically you get 3 oils in one blend. This is the second single oil. It's lemon eucalyptus. This is one I've already had. So this is my current one, and I'll be giving away the new one. What did I sniff so hard? This is very, very potent. It's like citronella. So lemon eucalyptus. Honestly, it doesn't smell like lemon or eucalyptus to me. It smells like the floor cleaner with the bald guy. What is that called? Yep. Pledge. No. I don't know. The floor cleaner. It's balsamic citrus sweet. It's from the leaves, and this one is from China. Super potent. Lemon eucalyptus. I'm thinking it might have like brightening skin care, face care effects. I'm not sure. We'll find out though. Last single oil is tea tree, and this I feel like the majority of people know what tea tree smells like. It's not super pleasant, but it's very effective on treating acne or different skin concerns. So there is tea tree. This one's from Australia. It is medicinal and woody smelling, and I would agree. Kind of like gasoline if you're not used to oils especially. Okay, beauty within is the essential oil blend that you get this box. So here's the label, and in this blend is myrrh, frankincense, rosemary, and lavender. So all really good essential oils. Rosemary is really good for hair too, but frankincense, lavender, really good skin supporting oils. I'm gonna give it a little shake. And I think I've had this one before, but I didn't see it. So it smells good. It smells nice and grounding and floral. This is a very like calming oil. I'm excited to see what we're going to use it in. Okay, so next in this little side, you'll get a few ingredients and then the recipe cards and labels. So you can label your bottles, the tops, and then everything that you make. And with your first month though, you get a big bonus box, which is a big box full of like coconut oils and bottles and things like that. And that gets shipped every 6 months, so it's kind of like giving you a 6-month supply of like your bottles and stuff. First ingredient or recipe ingredient is rose, kale, and clay. So I've had this one before. I love masks made out of this. I hope that's what we're gonna make. Face wash powder. This is exciting. This might be new. I haven't seen this before. So this is a few ingredients and it's a powder. I'm assuming we'll find out what we're gonna make with it. And then witch hazel is the last. This is a classic skincare ingredient. It's a classic DIY ingredient if you're used to making products on your own with essential oils. And then here are the labels quick so you can see those. The round ones are for the tops of the bottles, and then you get a bunch of different ones for the products that you're going to make. So this is the Beauty Roll-On. Is that what it says? Beautify Roll-On. So I'll go through the recipe cards. Exfoliating face wash is first. The cards are really cute too, and they have a little box on their website that you can purchase separately. This one has the face wash powder, the kale and clay, almond oil, tea tree oil, and then from your house you'll just need a small container to put all the ingredients in. So you're going to mix it all together and until you get a uniform paste-like mixture. And then you just use it, wet your hands, and lather on. This is cool. Something really different too. That's why I love these recipes too. They're a lot different than what you'll just find like searching on Pinterest. Next is a gentle face cleanser. So you'll use the face wash powder, almond oil, Beauty Within essential oil, and then again a small container. So you mix it all up. And then store in a small container. Making your own skincare products is, to me, so fun, and you just know exactly what is in your product, and then you can tailor it, right? So if you're getting a certain reaction, you can fix that yourself. I just think it's really empowering. Beautify Roll-On is next. So this is a recipe to make a roller, and empty roller bottles will be in your big bonus box, so you can make this in one of those. And then the fractionated coconut oil will come in there too. So you just add the tea tree, Beauty Within, coriander, and you put it in your roller with Beauty Within toner. Oh, this is exciting. I bet that's what the witch hazel's for. Yep, so witch hazel, almond oil, and then tea tree oil. Next one is Pore Clarifying Matte Face Mask. So that has a tiny bit of witch hazel, almond oil, kale and clay, and then the lemon eucalyptus. So I'm excited to look into the lemon eucalyptus like constituents and see why it's good for skin. Spring Rain Diffuser Blend is next. So this is just ingredients that you mix up like between 30 and 40, 50 drops of each oil into an empty bottle, and then you make your own blend. Next I'll share the value. I love sharing that because it's always way more. This month is $208. And this box is $45. With my code you get a $45 gift card back, so it's really a no-brainer to try if you're really into making your own oil products. They make it really easy and take the brain work out of it. And on their website too, they just have a bunch of different resources and things that you guys will like, I think, too, so check them out. My link to shop and code will be down in the description. Again, this I'm going to film next, so look for this on my channel too if you haven't seen this yet. This is the new Stone Essential Oil Diffuser, so I'll be sharing this soon. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you have a great day. Bye.